Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sync Brave browser across multiple devices. Syncing allows you to access your bookmarks, passwords, history, open tabs, and other browsing data on all your devices. First, open Brave browser on your computer. Next, click the menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Inside the Settings page, find and open the Sync section. If this is your first time using Sync, click Start using Sync to begin. Now choose Add a new device. Brave gives you two options. You can connect another computer or connect a mobile phone. If you're connecting a phone, Brave will display a QR code. Open Brave on your phone, go to the Sync settings and scan the QR code. If you're connecting another computer, choose the computer option and use the sync code shown on the screen. Enter the same code on the second device to join the sync chain. Once the devices are connected, Brave will automatically sync your bookmarks, browsing history, passwords, extensions, settings, and open tabs, depending on the options you choose. That's it. Your Brave browser is now synced across your devices, making it easy to continue browsing wherever you are. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Brave browser tutorials and technology guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.